In the name of God. Birthday gift.
Nina's best friend, Sara, is an artist. She loves painting and drawing. Nina wants to buy her a special birthday gift. She goes to the store and looks at different things. Finally, she finds a beautiful sketchbook. Nina thinks Sara will love it. She buys it and takes it home. At home, Nina takes a pen and writes a message. She writes, "Happy birthday. Love, Nina." She wants Sara to feel happy. Nina knows her friend will be excited. She wraps the gift carefully. Then, she waits for Sara's birthday party. Nina is very happy with her gift choice. On Sara's birthday, Nina gives her the sketchbook. Sara opens it and smiles. She loves art, so this is perfect. Sara says, "Thank you. It's perfect." Nina feels happy because Sara likes it. Sara hugs Nina and thanks her again. They both laugh and talk about art. Sara is not just an artist, she also likes photography. Sometimes, she takes pictures of nature. Nina asks Sara about her new photographs. Sara shows her some beautiful photos. Nina thinks Sara is very talented. They talk about their hobbies for a long time. Nina tells Sara, "Let's draw together soon." Sara agrees happily. They plan to meet next weekend. Nina is not a painter, but she likes trying. Sara promises to teach her some techniques. Nina is excited to learn. They both love spending time together. Sara's mother is a businesswoman. She works in a big company. Sara's father is a mechanic. He fixes cars every day. Nina thinks their jobs are interesting. She asks Sara about other jobs too. Sara tells her about different occupations. Nina's father is a driver. He drives a bus every morning. Her mother is a housewife. She takes care of their home. Nina also has an uncle who is a policeman. He helps keep the city safe. Nina respects all these jobs. Sara knows a photographer who works at a studio. She also has a friend who is a nurse. Nina thinks these jobs are important. She dreams of being a doctor one day. Sara supports her dream. They talk about their future plans. Nina and Sara also talk about famous people. Sara likes a painter from history. Nina prefers a modern actor. They discuss movies and art. Sara says she wants to visit an art museum. Nina agrees it would be fun. They make plans for their next adventure. At the end of the day, Nina is happy. She gave her friend a great gift. Sara is excited to use her new sketchbook. They promise to meet again soon. Nina thinks about all the jobs they talked about. She feels inspired to work hard. Friendship and dreams make life beautiful.
Like and subscribe if you would like.